It's 15th March today, and today I am here to explain you iterative statements in Java. So before the 2 days, we already discussed the what is iterative loops in our control statements video. But after that, in this video, we are explaining that how exactly the iterative loops are working and what's it necessary in our program. Let we discuss about it. So basically, first is what is iterative. Iterative, it means when we execute a certain block of code in our program in a repeatedly manner again and again, or we can say in a multiple times, then iterative concept are used be there. Some There are three types of iterative loops, which is a while loop, do while loop, and for loop also. And we can use a for each loop also. It's another part. Let me explain one by one. First one is a while loop. While loop, it is when the number of iteration we don't know, then we are preferred to use while loop. And syntax of while loop, which is while, which is a keyword, and in parentheses we can our statements are present in there, and in the curly bracket the block of code will be executed. After that, for loop, which is when we know already before the using of loop, when we know the how many iterations are used be there, then we can use a for loop. The syntax of for loop, which is a for, and in parentheses there are some three statements, which is first one is initialization, second one which is exactly how the condition of works in our loop, that condition, and third one is increment or decrement. And after that, in curly braces, our code that can be executed. So basically, what is the importance of for loop? It may be we can use a single condition for statement printing, or such a for our decision making result. But we are explaining for loop using example such that we are printing 1 to 10 natural numbers. So then we need to, if we don't use a for loop in our program, then we have to some multiple lines in our program that can be code which is executed from 1 to 10. But using for loop, we can use only single line, which is a loop statement, and there are three statements are present in there. With the help of single line, we can print all the 1 to 10 numbers. So this is the importance of for loop. Then after that, do while loop. So basically, both of three loops are same working, but some difference in their syntaxes. So basically, do while loop is a difference from while, because in the while, we can see the while is the in the while, the parenthesis, in that parenthesis the statements and condition are also present. But in the do while loop, statements or condition present at the below side, and we initializing the variables in upper side. If we don't execute the actual program, but at least one time execute do while loop already. But after that, when we use a while in that below, we have to put a semicolon in that. The okay, there means. Thank you.